G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. I feel like I just blinked and the month went by again. We're here of course today for August Masterclass launch, and I've had a happy month this month because I was making and creating a dog. One of my favourite things to do is create dog breeds. Another very requested pattern from you all, and of course it's a beautiful British Bulldog. Now I'm introducing you to a new size in our art dolls, in the baby doll style. I've actually called him Harry, all very British. Let's take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to Harry. Now Harry is our beautiful project for this month, and he is a British Bulldog, so very much capturing that little puppy look. Gorgeous little petite size, baby style body, which I designed many years ago, and I'm thoroughly enjoying bringing it to you all. He wears a new design of little rompers. He's got his little boots on, and we make him a lovely companion. In this case is a lovely little whale, little plush whale. And everybody in Pay It Forward, I'm dropping that little whale in for all of you. That's just his favourite little toy. I've given him sculpted paws in this one. You don't have to do that. You can do this. You can play with this one. And certainly in the needle felting. So we do some extensive needle felting this month on that face, but you have to trust me, as daunting as that might look, I really take you through it step by step. It's nowhere near as difficult as you might think. You just need a lot of patience with needle felting, but you can see in the end, he's such a cutie. I just love him. Now I want to make a pug. Everyone's been asking me for a pug. A pug is definitely coming after seeing this guy. What a perfect size. So we're going to be making more in this size in Masterclass. Such a beautiful collectible sort of a size without taking over your whole workroom. I'm struggling for room here at the moment. As big as my room is, I'm filling it up. I'll have to work out what to do with them all. But his name is Harry. I absolutely love him. I've had a wonderful time making him, with some lovely hours sitting working on that face. He is of course jointed at the neck, arms and at the legs, and lots of things to learn in this one, as always in Masterclass. I hope you've enjoyed seeing my little Harry. So I hope you've all enjoyed checking out little Harry. Now I've got to say that last month's project, Kanga and Roo, has absolutely taken off in that you've all put beautiful different styles of Kanga and Roo together, and I've seen lots of little Roos on their own from all you Pay It Forward people. Absolutely love seeing them. But I have to say, the collections, the groups of our fantastic 100 Acre Wood characters, they are outstanding. I absolutely have blown me away. I'm sure I haven't seen all of them. I feel like we need to make a day on our Facebook page where we all show, we absolutely bombard the page with our pictures of our Winnie the Pooh collections. But really outstanding work, everyone. Love every one of them, and I love that you're all keeping to a theme, that you're making with all of your materials the same in mind, because theme is really important with our work. And they have just come up beautiful. So thank you all so much for sharing them with us all. If you haven't joined our Facebook page, come along and join it. I'll put the links down below. Of course, I will link Masterclass down below. You can go ahead and join if little Harry has tempted you. Mr. T said his name needs to be Harrison because it's more refined, but I just saw him as a Harry, so there we go. It's rare that Mr. T doesn't win on the names, but I stood my ground this time. So I do hope you've enjoyed seeing little Harry. I hope that he tempts some of you over. Thank you for everybody supporting me in our Masterclass. I really appreciate it. And I hope you're all going to have a fantastic creative week or month. And I hope all of you in Pay It Forward enjoy making Harry's beautiful little whale. I love to see all of the colours you're going to do him in. So have a fantastic week, everyone. Remember to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.